Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today this role play will be called The Kids Who Got to Stay Home Because It Was a Snowstorm. Now, let me tell you something. Now I'm just seeing that it's 1:47 because I'm asleep. Whatever. Anyways, the kids should be home any minute now from school. Yeah. 2 minutes later. Oh, there they are. Open the door. Close the door. How was school? What questions did you get? I got 2 of them wrong. I got almost all. I got the rest right. I got them all right. Nice, kids. Now, I'm gonna go make some breakfast. Wait, did you go to the grocery store last week? Because look what we have. We got steak and chicken. That's not good. That's not gonna hold us. Wait, actually, we got steak and chicken. That's not gonna hold us because it's not even a thing. It's not even fruit or anything. Well, while we just wait till we get them, we'll just eat that. Are you sure, babe? Yep, I got steak. You got chicken. Okay. I'm gonna grab some steak first. It's done. I'm gonna cook your. Why why does the cake always go on that plate? When I was playing it, I took it off of it. Now, I'm gonna cook my wife chicken. I gotta go to the bathroom. All done. Flushes toilet. Unlock. Okay, it's done. Now, I like some ketchup. Pours ketchup on plate. Right now. Mom! What? What do you want? Are we staying home from school tomorrow? Maybe. I don't know. If we let you guys stay home for 6 days, the police will put us to jail. I don't know. Mom, what do you want? Are we staying home? Maybe. I just told you this a few seconds ago. If we don't always put you guys to school, we'll go to jail. Oh my God. Open the door, slam the door closed. Oh my God. Gotta pee now. Finishes the peeing. Unlock. Right now, looks like food's about to be here. Calls. I'm gonna order some Pizza Hut. Hi, can I place an order for? Actually, she orders pizza. Hi, can I place an order for delivery? Oh yeah. Can I have some pizza and garlic fingers? Sure. Plate. Nice. 57 minutes later. The pizza guy's here. Finally, about time. Actual 50 minutes later and they play. Seven minutes later. Yes, he's here. About time. I'll get it. I'll act like a grown-up. Thank you. It's about time you got here for food. Aiden. Sorry, but it's actually true. Oh, get scared. I'm so sorry if I wasn't. I got in some traffic and I was too far away from the house, and I was in Moncton, and then I got to 4 hotels, and it was like almost an hour. Whatever. Next time, make sure to be here with our food. Next time, don't ever let me go starve like that. Okay, Aiden, don't be rude. If he took so long to get our food here, then he took so long. Takes away. Gets wallet. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry about him. Gibbs, $1 million. Think you have kids too. Okay. You're in big trouble, mister. Just eat now. Cuts everyone's food. Okay. He removes his Aiden's plate. So, okay, Kayla, come eat. Okay. Acts like he's sitting on a chair. Eats. They eat. Okay. Nice. Now it's bedtime. Actually, you guys will have to brush your teeth. Okay. I'll brush mine first. Puts toothpaste on. Brushes teeth. Poof. They finish brushing. Now let's go to bed. Okay. Go to bed. Morning time. Oh, looks like you guys don't have school today. Wow. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I can't make this video long. I'm gonna see if I can shout hi to my friend if she even knows at school.